I hope this thing can hear me. To use the chalkboard in Flipgrid during Flipgrid, you go to the right. It's in the middle. It's all the way at the bottom, and it's a little paint symbol. It's got no board, blackboard, and whiteboard. I'm using whiteboard for the drawing. To draw anything you want to draw handmade, you press on the pencil, and then it has different color tones you can use for it. I'm going to use black, and I'm going to draw a beautiful stick figure. You can use the mouse pad that the computer comes with, or you can use a mouse, like a handheld mouse like the one I'm using. All right. I'm going to add an emoji, which is at the very middle above the pencil, and it's labeled stickers. And I scroll down, I'm going to put a brain on top of my character because he is a very intelligent human being. And when you add an emoji, there are different dots you can use to stretch the emoji out, as I'm stretching the brain out here. And then I can say a little circle that allows you to slant it in any way that you want. I'm going to slant the brain like maybe. That is perfect there. That is very perfect. I'm going to go back to the drawing to draw a mustache on my character, and it's a different color. When you do something that you don't want to do, at the very top you have a undo, which is on the very left, to the left of clear, redo, which is to the right of clear, and clear, which deletes everything. And I want to undo the red drawing. And if I'm correct, it gives me another red drawing. So what you do is you undo, go to the filter color that changes the color of it, change it to any color you want, draw, undo, then go to the color of your choice. Draw him a black mustache, yeah, and then giving him some hair coming down to his knees because it's just amazing, and like a goatee. Gonna draw at the very right hand corner notes because these are notes on how to use the chalkboard during Flipgrid. Oh, gotta undo the S. And that is it. If you want to use, I'm gonna try and find a hand. So I go back to stickers, which is above the drawing pencil, and I wonder if they have a hand emoji. Uh, don't think there's a hand emoji. That's unfortunate. Well, if you go to the very right with the two hands that are like the praising symbol, wait, no, yes, actually, and then you scroll down. Those are reactions for different subjects mainly. The one before that gives you glasses that you can use. I'm gonna put some glasses on, some sunglasses. These are not sunglasses, but that'll work out actually. And that's how you use the chalkboard for Flipgrid.